welcome again to my channel. If you work for Uber, Lyft, or any other rideshare as a part-time or full-time job, then this video is for you. In this video, you will learn some important tips about your tax return. Let's do it.
When filing taxes, use the mileage deduction rather than gasoline expense. You cannot use both at the same time. When you receive your annual statement from Uber or Lyft, it is going to show the actual mileage that you drove for trips. Let me explain this. What happens when you receive a request for a ride, you start driving for a specific distance until you reach the address where you intend to pick up your ride. And you wait. Then once your ride shows up and you actually hit the start of the trip, that moment the Uber or Lyft app starts calculating the mileage until you finish the trip and hit the end of the trip in the app. So basically, this is what is calculated for each trip only, and that's what the annual statement that Uber or Lyft presented you for your tax purposes. Most Uber or Lyft drivers claim this mileage for their tax returns. The fact is that you are entitled to claim all the mileage that you use for this work, which includes the moment you leave your home for work and you still did not receive any requests for trips. Once you receive a request for a trip and you start driving to pick up your ride, this mileage can be claimed since you are working. The moment you finish a trip and heading back to your home or going back to a busy area where you expect to receive requests for a ride, this mileage also can be claimed. I know from examples of drivers who ask me for help in their taxes. They drive from a far distant city to a major downtown area where there are parties, busy restaurants, games, concerts, and so on. This costs them a huge amount of miles that they put in their cars. All this can be claimed because you are technically working. All you need to do is to document this mileage in order to be on the safe side. By doing this, don't be surprised when you notice that your claimed mileage is almost double than the actual mileage that Uber or Lyft recorded for you. Sometimes way more than that. And always remember that for each mile that you claim driving for Uber or Lyft or any other rideshare, you get 56 cents deduction in your income tax return. You can claim all expenses that you have while working as an Uber or Lyft driver, such as meals, snacks, coffee, etc., except the gas. You cannot claim gas because you already claimed the mileage. In income tax deduction, you either claim mileage or gas for your car, but you cannot do both. Always claiming the mileage is way better for you. Look through the statement that Uber or Lyft presented to you. You will notice that they included several charges that they deducted from your pay, such as booking fees, split fare fees, service fees. So either you use your net pay for income received from them, or you can include your gross pay and then use the fees and charges that they took from your pay and include it as expense deductions in your tax file. More deductions that can be claimed in your tax file, such as all maintenance expenses for your car that you use for Uber or Lyft, such as oil change, maintenance issues, cleaning and car wash, and so on. Also your monthly bills for your cell phone and all accessories such as cell phone holders, car chargers, headphones, etc. Let me tell you this, from several examples that I experienced with some Uber and Lyft drivers, I noticed that if you document every expense that you have for this job, you almost pay no taxes whatsoever. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please email me or post your comment, and I will promptly answer you. If you find this video or other videos that I create of value to you or others, please consider supporting the channel by hitting subscribe, like, and sharing the content with your network. And see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.